Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My good names are Lucy Jones. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Today, I have my new friends. This is Nelias, and we have Lavender, the queen. Yeah, please say hi to my people.
Hi.
Yeah. My friend Nelias should be interviewing us on some few things on our lifestyle, what we like, and that is how it will be. Please enjoy the video, and we love you all. We love you. We love you. Love you. Thank you.
Yeah. So we'll start with the first question. You can start with Lucy. Like, Lucy, what is the first thing you do when you wake up, like every morning?
The first thing I do every morning, I pray. Like that is the first thing that I do. Of course, mkojo ndo huamsha mtu. Naamka naenda na susu, and then I'm back to my bed after nimeomba, and the rest follows.
Wow. And Lavender, what do you do?
Me, the first thing is to check my phone.
Okay.
Nikiamka niangalie simu, then niombe. Ama niamke tu niombe, niangalie simu, nirudi kulala.
That's nice. Most of us actually, that's what we do.
Yeah.
Now we can move on to the next question. Now that these guys, they are creators, what is the challenge yenye mnaona ni the most yenye mmepatana nayo?
The most challenging thing as a new YouTuber is gaining the subscribers. Hey, my friends, this thing is hectic. Like I can remember, kuna siku like mimi most of the time nikipata tu mtu namuuliza, hey, can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? And I have met 2 or 3 guys telling me, what is that? How does it go? Yeah, I met such people. Like, what is that? Subscription ni nini? Mi hata sijui hiyo ni nini. Mi hata like, that is challenge number 1. Challenge number 2. Bundles, man. Hey, this thing is taking up our bundles and our money.
Yeah.
If you don't have Wi-Fi, my friend, you're lost. Like, it's too low for you. You have a video inachukua like 7 MBs ama 7 GB. I'm sorry, 7 GB. So inadetermine utachukua bundles gani, so it's taking a lot of it. The third challenge ni confidence. Confidence, man. Some of us, the new YouTubers, tuko na shida ya confidence. Jujue ndo tunaingia into this thing, so unakuta hadi kuapproach mtu mwambie kusubscribe kwa YouTube channel yako, umwambie, utakuta mtu anakuuliza ati what do you do, uko na subscribers wangapi ndo nikusubscribe. You see, that's a challenge, but anyway, we will be strong because you should be a fighter. Thank you.
Wow. And Lavender, wewe umepatana na shida gani?
Okay, there's a lot of challenges. First of all, as my friend said, convince mtu. Or at a point unaweza kuwa umefunga WhatsApp group, uko na a lot of friends, unatuma link. Hakuna hata mtu mmoja ataenda kuwatch your video. Hakuna. And there are over 200 people. So unapata na challenges, inafika time unafeel give up, unasema kai, mbona wote watake kunisupport, unasema acha nikae, nipumzike, nikuje baadaye. And the moment umekaa umerelax, wale watu wanakusahau. Ukikuja tena kuambia guys, I have a video, go watch, wanasema wewe nini nakusumbua, unakuja ukipotea. So I think it is so challenging. And we just need support.
Wow.
Yeah.
By the way, that's the main thing, support. Yeah. Now we can move on to the third question. And in this question, now that you guys mko young, the time mnakuwa YouTubers, what do you think itakuwa future yenu in the next like 2 years? Unataka kukua wapi, like kwa YouTube, kwa maisha? Ni goals gani unataka kuwa umeachieve by the short term maybe?
Okay, with me, I want to be like, I want to have grown. Yeah, I want to have grown my YouTube channel. I want to be mtu amejisimamia, like mtu anaweza kuwa independent on her own. Like I don't have to depend on a person. nataka kukuwa nimegrow kwa YouTube channel yangu, ndo nikuwe na place, hata kama nitakuwa na job, nitakuwa na place nafanya 1 2 3. Unajua YouTube is not just for ile ya ku ati uko na aim ya kukuwa umelipwa. Uko na aim ya mali, unaweza enda ukiwa idol, unaona vitu umekuwa ukifanya zinakufurahisha, I know nitakuwa far. That is what I want to be. Nataka nikuwe nimegrow in a way that I'll appreciate.
Nice. That's so nice actually. And Lavender.
Okay, as for me, nataka nikuwe mahali, as in for now, kuna yule msee na I'm looking up for. So nataka nikifika maybe somewhere else, kuna msee pia ananiangalia mimi, as in he or she is looking up to me, nasema nataka kuwa kama yule. So before ufike hiyo level, kuna tu venye una struggle, so vile sasa tuna struggle tufike huko. So ukifika huko, kuna msee pia ata struggle the same way you struggle, afike mahali huko. So what I'm praying for is that ikifika hiyo time, or in the next 2 years, niwe nimefika mahali
that mtu anaweza look up to you.
Yeah, exactly.
And on that note, I would like to ask, like, kama wewe saizi nani una look up to, na kwa nini una look up to yeye?
Okay, for me, my all-time role model is Diana Bahati.
Nice.
As in yeye ndo vile ana work hard, vile she's so strong. Ni yeye, as in yeye amenimotivate sana, naangalia vitu anafanya, unaangalia this person is really working hard. So as in ni yeye tu ni bamba.
That's so nice. Yeah, na Lucy, wewe nani huwa wanafanya feel inspired?
With me, I have a multiple of them. Mtu hufurahishwa na kitu chenye kinamfurahisha. So I have a multiple of them. I have Milly wa Jesus, that family, that couple. Nawapenda tu venye, they are from glory, they are from grass to grace. You can all witness. Yeah, I have Midchebi and the Terrence family. I love that couple too. I love how they inspire people, and how they show us the positive in doing things. I also have Mongai Eve. She's a young lady like me, so I can look upon on her and see how she has grown, how she is developing. Yeah, so I can say I'm looking upon onto those people.
Yeah, that's so nice to have someone when you look up to atakusaidia achieve your goals. Yeah, and it's nice, right, guys? Yeah, now we can move on to the other question. It's time to jua hawa watu ama wako single ama kunaenda aje kwa maisha yao. Yeah, so we can start. Lucy, for now uko committed to anyone?
Not really.
Okay.
For now, I'm single and not searching.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm single and not searching. So niko single na enjoy. Yeah.
That's nice.
And no one should hit my DM for now because I have something that I'm looking up to. Like, I'm focusing on something. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Na Lavender, do you feel like...
No, I'm not dating. I am single.
Okay. Good to be single. So pia if someone came around mwenye unapenda sana ama mwenye una expect akwe na qualities kama zako, are you sure bado utakaa single?
With what I said, I have something that I'm looking up to. So I don't think at the moment there is anything that can bring me back to what I want.
Okay.
Yeah. At the moment, naweza kuja mtu ako na pesa, mtu ako na personality nataka, mtu ako na tu vitu mzuri zenye kila mtu anaweza tamani kuwa na yeye, but with my personality and what I want, because as I said, I want to build myself first before I get to something. So atakuje.
You will give them up. That's your choice.
He will just wait. If he is patient, he will wait. If he's not, I'll just give him away.
Yeah, I agree. Love waits. Yeah, so viewers mmesikia, you should wait to be focused. So yeah, and Lavender.
Okay, for me, ameongea vizuri. but unaweza fika time uwezi fanya vitu peke yako. You need support. So as long as umepata mtu is interested or he is interested in helping you or in supporting you, as long as upate mtu supportive, I think inaweza kuwa sawa. Not that 100%, but inaweza kuwa sawa.
Okay.
So siti anakupressure, anakupea time yako.
So mtu anakusupport.
Mtu anakusupport, then I think
that can also make me go back. It will come and support me. By the way, I have this thing, this is a policy. I'm sorry to the guys and men back there. I'm sorry, but I have to say this. If a man comes in my life and brings me back, mimi mwanaume tu akuja kwa maisha yangu, akose kunipeleka one step before, it's a no. But if kama utakuja and you help na unisaidia niende the next level, I think we can.
Okay, so on that point, as in mtu anakusupport, unaget akuwe proud of you mwanzo. Kwa sasa una struggle una mambo au unataka grow YouTube channel yako hapo. Sasa hizo ni nini unafanya? Anaona ni ujinga unafanya, una waste time. What the?
Kama napenda nafaa ku like what you do.
You respond mimi nafanya hiki na hiki. So if you are willing to support me or if you are ready to support me, I think unaweza enda far. But kuja na negativity, mimi na focus. It's a no-go zone.
Okay, so tuende kwa the last question. If you got a chance kwenda majuu at this point, ni country gani unaweza visit na kwa nini? Like the first one yenye inakam kwa mind, isikia ni majuu.
Okay, Mexico.
Ooh. Okay.
Mexico or Mauritius. I would like to visit that place because mtu aishingi mahali pamoja. You have to.
And why Mexico na si London na si anywhere else?
Because I just love the place. As I said, the Wadiza's family has been my role model. And nakuwa nikiwaona wakifanya adventure zao, wakitembea so many countries. Now not Mexico, like Mauritius was one of them. And the place looks nice, looks like it's admirable. It's a place that you all want to visit and see. But anyway, kila mtu akona mahali anapenda. With me, that's the place I want. And maybe that's where I will funga pingu za maisha.
Okay, Lavenda, where to?
Me? Uko so mimi penye naweza penda kuenda ni Maldives.
Maldives. Okay.
Ninde huko. Sijui why but napenda to your place.
Ni place ya raha, so why not, by the way. So I think to me wrap up. In case you have any questions, unaweza reach out kwao. Subscribe and hit that notification button. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that usikue unapitwa na hizi vitu tam. If you find it's nice, please support us. Kila mtu anatoka chini anapanda stairs akienda juu. And one day we know we will be there. We will be top.
Top 10.
Now love.